British visitor found dead at Rio Hotel in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Anne's police have launched an investigation into the death of a British woman who was found unresponsive in her room at the Rio Hotel. The deceased has been identified as 66-year-old retiree Rosa McCain of Doncaster in England. Reports from the police are that at around 8:10 a.m. yesterday morning, McCain was found unresponsive in her room and was assisted to the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital, where she was pronounced dead. The St. Anne's Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the matter. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.